When facing a problem, you have two types of solutions: bad solutions and good solutions. Let's take a look at an example. So here's the problem. In a Flappy Bird game, obstacles should keep on coming, so they should be never ending. How can we make this happen? Let's take a look at a bad solution first. We could simply generate 1,000 obstacles and consider that to be infinite. Here we can see what this would mean in the scene view. The first problem is about what's going on inside the computer that's running the game. Because we have 1,000 obstacles, it means that all of the obstacles have to be in the memory of the computer. So that takes up a lot of space. Now on to the second problem. What if someone achieves a score of 1,000? Then the game just runs out of obstacles. Now let's take a look at a good solution. To find a better solution, notice that at any time there are at most 3 to 4 obstacles on the screen. Also, once an obstacle moves out of the screen, it's no longer needed and it can be destroyed. Whenever an obstacle is destroyed, we can generate a new obstacle just outside of the screen as well, to the right. Take a look at this, where I just remove the bird to show you what's going on with the obstacles. Even after 5 years of programming, I had actually made the bad solution first. I didn't realize that there was a better solution, and once I did, I didn't want to move to it because I thought it would be a big effort and not really change the game in the end. Later, I told myself that if I ever wanted to make real games, I need to start avoiding bad software as soon as possible. So I pulled myself together and made the better version. Something completely unrelated, almost every evening, I don't want to brush my teeth before going to bed. I know I should, but I don't want to. The bad solution here is telling myself that I'll do it tomorrow in the morning, which I don't. And so I guess that the bottom line is good things require a little more effort, but they pay off in the end.